What happened to your iPad, you said, sir?
My 6-year-old was raging playing Roblox. He got mad, none of them will go help him, and he took it and threw it. What he does is sits there and eats Doritos and potato chips all day long when he plays, and just licks his fingers and touches it.
Oh my gosh. Don't worry. I got you. Surgery time.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus.
Your iPad is ready, sir.
Thank you.
Look
Thank
at
you.
this now. Nice and clean, and
Thank
it's
you.
good to go.
Thank you for fixing the iPad that
Thank
he
you for fixing
destroyed
it.
because he got raged
No
playing
problem.
Roblox.
I'll take a look at this case.
Oh my God, it's clean. You better not get that case dirty again.
No, it looks perfectly fine. You can still
I
use it.
will get
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just put it in the case.
That's my skin.
Put it in the case. And you better not break it again.
I have a new Roblox character. He's red.